Hello friends, in this video I shall show what is the git reset command. So let's start. First of all, perform some commits 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now check the git reset. Suppose I want to reset to this commit. So A24C FFC, enter. Now you can see that the master and head both came to that commits and deleted all the commits after that. So it is irrecoverable now. Now you can only access the features that have been implemented till here. All the further changes have been deleted, and it was done because of --hard. It by default assume hard. So all the commits are deleted and cannot be recovered. So let's visualize in the VS Code. Here are two files I have created, and there are only one commit, this one. Okay, so first of all create 3-4 more commits as shown in the video, and after that we will revert it. So reset 1 and commit it, git commit am. I'm using am at one time so that add and commit can be done in the same line. So reset 1 added. Now change in this file, reset 2, save it and commit with the message reset 2 added. After that again change in the previous file, reset 3, save and commit. And again in this file reset 4, save it and commit. Okay, as shown in the video, created 4 more commits, and now suppose I want to check out to some previous commit. First of all log it, and currently I am on this commit and I want to reset to this commit. So let us write the command. So git reset and hash of the commit 10760D. Okay, enter. Now you can see that both files have came in the modified stage from the committed stage. Okay, so let us check what happened. So till here what we have did, reset 2 added and reset 1 added. So reset 1 is here, and in this file reset 2 is here, and after that in the third and fourth commit, that was reset 3 and reset 4, you can see that this is the changes that has been done is now in the staging area. So if you now again log the commits, you cannot see the further commits. The difference can be seen here, right? Because of we have simply did git reset and commit hash, and it was by default soft. But if you do hard, suppose I want to reset to this commit 83B0DA --hard. Now you can see that all the differences between this and this commit will be gone, right? And you cannot see those here in the working directory. So enter. Now you can see that there are no any changes reflected in the working directory, right? So both are same. In this way, hard reset discards all the differences and you cannot recover it again. And so if you want that differences should be remain, so use soft. Else if you want that remove all the changes between any specific commit, then you can use the hard flag, right? Thank you.